I handed over what is now worth nearly $250,000 to a scammer and never saw a penny again. And the worst part? I personally knew and trusted the guy. Imagine watching your money skyrocket in value, knowing you'll never touch a dime of it. Yup, exactly what happened to me. I got pulled into a Ponzi scheme. At this point in 2018, Bitcoin was around $6,500 per coin, and I had 2.8 BTC worth $18,000. Today, a hell of a lot more. All gone. Poof. But back then, all I could think was easy money. Enter this businessman, someone my family had known for years, not some random internet dude. He'd already hired me for marketing work, paid on time, and even returned a previous $200 loan with interest. So when he pitched me an even bigger opportunity, a private investment returning 200% in 6 months, I was like, whoa, free money. Red flag? Oh, plenty. But my brain totally ignored them. He fed me the usual bullshit, exclusive opportunity, just for people I trust, blah, blah, blah. I didn't have extra cash, but I had Bitcoin. So I sent him 2.8 BTC, no guarantees, just pure blind faith. At first, smooth sailing. Big profits are coming, he promised. Then, just a small delay, don't worry. But weeks turned into months. The updates got less frequent, and the excuses got more elaborate. After 1 year, and he finally ghosted me. No calls, no emails, nothing. That's when it truly hit me. I got scammed by someone I knew and trusted. I filed a police report, but I had zero hope of seeing my Bitcoin again. Fast forward a couple years, I get a call from a detective. Turns out I wasn't the only victim. This guy was running a full-on Ponzi scheme and scammed people collectively out of $6.3 million total. So I testified. I watched him in court as they sentenced him to 8 years in federal prison. But guess what? Even with him behind bars, I never saw a single Satoshi of my BTC again. The money was gone, laundered, spent, vanished. And as Bitcoin soared from $6,500 to $20K to $40K to $70K, I kept doing the math. That 2.8 BTC today, at the time of making this video, that's 235,713. Moral of the story? If it sounds too good to be true, it is. And if someone promises 200% in 6 months, just walk away and HODL your damn Bitcoin. Had I just kept those coins in cold storage, I'd be sitting on a fortune. Instead, I got a very painful lesson. For more wild real-life crypto stories, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your support truly means the world to me.